This is my son's favorite book and Book Shark so far. I mean, like all of them, but this one, he smiled and wanted to do every day. He wanted to do the first day on Monday for pre-K Book Shark. This was his all-time favorite. The Berenstain Bears, a huge fan. It has the almanac. Oh, sorry, I'm looking for the next one. The Nature Guide. Pretty cool book. And it has the Science Fair. All great books. I highly recommend this for any preschooler, pre-K person who wants to get into learning about nature and science. And I really like it. It's great. My son really wanted to learn more about science, and he's continued on wanting to learn since he read this book. And I'm pretty sure we'll be reading it for years to come. And I highly recommend anything by the Berenstain Bears. Book Shark was right to put this in their pre-K program. And I love Professor Actual Factual. He is awesome. Great books.